Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen, and it's time for our Ibotta haul for this week. There's no big crazy bonuses or anything like that. I am going to be doing this midweek bonus where when you do 12 offers, you do get $1 back. So we are going to be using 3 or 4 different rebate apps to make this haul amazing. There are 7 money makers that I'm going to be doing today, which I'm so excited to share with you. That's why I wanted to do the Ibotta haul. We're going to be using Ibotta. If you're new to Ibotta, here is my referral code. You can add this in, get additional cash back, and join my team so we can get bonuses together. I also have a video on how to use the Ibotta app that will be linked in the description box and at the end of this video. Fetch rewards, Shopkick. Here is my referral code for Shopkick. When you submit your first receipt, you will get an additional 250 kicks, which is the equivalent to $1. And there's one Saving Star deal and one Checkout 51 deal. If you're new to Checkout 51 as well, that is another app we're going to be using today. Here is my referral code right here. Add this in once you download the app so you can get additional cash back and make today an even bigger moneymaker overall. So all of my referral codes are listed in the description box below. Of course, I will go over exactly what to do, what rebate apps you're going to be using, and the final breakdown for every single one of these deals. There is a printable breakdown listed in the description box, the Google document. You guys can print that and take it right to the store with you. Couple tips on Ibotta. This is mainly focused on Ibotta. Every account is different. So I may have rebates that your account doesn't have, and vice versa. Somebody had an amazing Alka-Seltzer moneymaker. I don't have Alka-Seltzer rebate on my Ibotta app. Also, the dollar value amounts might be different. Some people have been posting for the Dixie plate rebate. Theirs is 75 cents back. Mine is $1.25 back. So it just depends. Every account is a little different. Some people get, midweek bonuses that are like $5 for 5 offers, which is amazing. Mine happens to only be $1 for 12 offers, but any additional bonus and any additional cash back is always welcome on this channel. So if you're not subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any money saving tips and deals every single day that I post. So let's go inside and take advantage of all of these freebies. Okay, so this is our first deal. It is going to be on these Bic Soleil Sensitive Advanced. They are $5.97. Then we have this $3 coupon that we got from the 3/8 Smart Source insert. You're going to pay $2.97, or hold on, you're going to pay $2.97 out of pocket. Then Checkout 51 has a $3 back rebate. Final cost is absolutely free. The next item we're going to grab is some of this Degree Advanced Women's Protection. The 72-hour does have to be the 72-hour version. We have this $2 off 1 coupon that we got from the 3/1 Retail Me Not. We'll pay $3.97 out of pocket, get back $2 from Ibotta, so final cost is $1.97. A nice repeat deal that I've done a couple times is on these Poise Active Liners. So I'm gonna grab these. Oh, I can't reach it. Oh, there it is. Okay. I'm gonna grab these, the regular length. They are $4.84. We are gonna use this $3 coupon we got in the 3/1 Retail Me Not. You can also print one on poise.com if you haven't printed one already. Final cost, we are going to pay $1.84. Ibotta is going to give me back $2, so it's going to be free and a 16-cent moneymaker. Next deal, what we're going to do is picking up some Tampax. So I'm going to pick up these right here. I already scanned it on the Ibotta app, and it does work with my rebate. They are $3.83. We're going to use this $1 off 1 coupon from the March P&G insert that we got in February. That'll take off $1. We'll pay $2.83. Ibotta is going to give us back $3, So this is gonna be a 17-cent moneymaker each. It is a limit of 2, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab 2 of these. The next deal we're gonna do is on Always. I'm gonna get these ultra thin, super long, extra super long pads. They're $3.24. We're gonna use this $1 off coupon that I got in the March P&G insert. It does have a limit of 2. Ibotta is gonna give us back $3 each with a limit of 2. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab 2 of these. That'll make it a 76-cent moneymaker each because we're gonna pay just $2.24 each out of pocket, but we're gonna get back $3 each. Definitely a great moneymaker. I don't personally use these, but I will certainly be donating them. This freebie we're gonna do is on these little Gillette travel size. They're $1.97. We have this $2 rebate. It is a limit of 2. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab 2 of these. It does say any size deodorant. I already scanned it and it does work, so that'll make these absolutely free. Next deal we're gonna do is grabbing some of these Dixie paper plates. So they are $2.52. I'm gonna grab 2 of these. When you go onto Dixie.com or DixiePlates.com, I'll have it listed in the description box. Put in your email, they will email you a link and you can get this 75-cent off coupon. So there is a limit of 5 on the Ibotta deal. My account shows I'm gonna get back $1.25 each. So final cost will be about 52 cents. Here's another great moneymaker for you. Country Crock at my store is $2.82. No coupons or anything needed, so you'll pay the $2.82 out of pocket. Then on my Ibotta, it says free after offer. I'm gonna get back $2.98. So right there, it's already going to be a small moneymaker. Then on Shopkick, once you scan the item on Shopkick, you'll get back 25 kicks. And if you purchase it and submit the receipt, you'll get back additional 350 kicks, which is the equivalent to about $1.50. Final cost is free and a $1.65 moneymaker. So excited about this one. And we're back in the yogurt section. I know I've been stocking up on so much yogurt, but if they keep giving me the rebates, I'm definitely gonna keep grabbing them because I love the s'mores. That one is my favorite. So the deal on these, they are $1. I'm gonna go ahead and buy 5. When you buy 5 on Savings Star, you get $1 back, but you do have to buy 5. So that'll give us $1 back right there. Then on Ibotta, you're gonna get back $2.44 when you buy 4. Also, I have a 25-cent any yogurt rebate. So final cost when you buy 5 is gonna be $1.31 or about 26 cents per yogurt. Time for another freebie. We are gonna grab this Glade warmer. It's just the warmer. There's no scented oil or anything with it. It is $1.62. Originally, I thought it was gonna be $2.18, but the prices today are even lower than I thought, which is amazing. We have this free Glade plug-in up to $2, so you won't get the overage or anything. They'll just make it count for $1.62. And we got this coupon from the 3-1 Smart Source, so that makes it absolutely free. Another freebie is gonna be this Airwick. It is $1.47. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab one of these. I don't remember what insert we got this in. It will be linked in the Printable Breakdown, but it's free up to $1.50. So same thing, you're not gonna get that 3 cents overage. They'll just price match it to the $1.47, and this will be absolutely free. It is a limit of 1, so you can only buy 1, I believe it's per day or something like that. So I'm gonna grab one of these and add this nice freebie to my cart. Another repeat deal that I'm doing, just because I drink these personally, they are the Muscle Milk 4 protein shakes. They're $5.98. Ibotta is gonna give us back $1, so final cost is $4.98. I have this listed on the Printable Breakdown, but this one is not included in the final totals, just because it's pretty expensive and not a ton of people drink it, so I did not include this in my total. The next deal we are gonna do is on the Huggies wipes. This is the last ones they have available. The better deal would be to buy these. It's the 52 count or 56 count. They're $1.74. Fetch Rewards is giving back 1,500 points when you buy one of the Huggies wipes 56 count or larger. If you're not signed up on Fetch Rewards yet, use my code. It is J24VT. You will get an additional 3,000 points just for a limited time when you put in that referral code and scan your first receipt. I also have a 25-cent Ibotta rebate for any baby wipes, so that'll work on this as well. This is the one I'm gonna wind up getting, so final cost for me would be about 50 cents. If you got the smaller one, final cost I think is like 3 cents or 6 cents, something like that. But still a really good deal for some baby wipes. Another deal we're gonna do is on the Listerine Ready tabs. So they did have printable coupons on coupons.com. I unfortunately did not print one. I think it was $1 off. If you have that coupon, you will pay $1.62. Ibotta is giving back $2. Makes it a nice little money maker. I do not have that coupon, so final cost for me is gonna be just 62 cents. A nice oral care deal for you. We're gonna pick up this Colgate Zero. It is a new product for Colgate. They are $4.96. Coupons.com did have a $2 coupon. I also didn't print that one, but on Colgate.com, you can print off this $1 off coupon. So I'm gonna pay $3.96 out of pocket. Then Ibotta is gonna give us back $2, and Shopkick is gonna give us back 200 kicks, which is about 80 cents. So final cost is $1.16. Not bad for some toothpaste. Another deal right at the register is on the Blistex. The only one that scans that works is the medicated. I tried this one and the berry one and they don't work. They're 97 cents. Ibotta's gonna give us back 50 cents. Final cost is just 47 cents. Is on the Barilla spaghetti. You can pick up any of the Barilla pastas. This is on rollback for $1.14. Ibotta is gonna give us back 25 cents. Not the best deal. The other one I was gonna do, they didn't have at the store. So this is the last deal I need for the 12 offers. So we're back in from Walmart. The only issue I had was for some reason that Poise coupon wouldn't scan for this. It was the active, it was everything that I read on it. So one of the employees just came over and entered it in manually with their card, and then everything was good to go. That Airwick coupon for the free Airwick had no problems. The computer, I scanned it, and the computer automatically took off the $1.47 for this, which made it absolutely free. What else? So I scanned my receipt to Fetch Rewards. I got back 1,570 points. Scanned it for Shopkick. It doesn't tell you exactly what you got back. They have to review it over 48 hours. So in 2 days, I will know exactly how many kicks I got back and how much that translates into for cash. Make sure you check the Printable Breakdown. I do have a few additional deals listed in there. I'll show you guys my receipt. I did pay $25 with a Fetch Rewards gift card. So that is why I love Fetch so much. And then I got back $33 on Ibotta. So right there, it kind of makes it a moneymaker. So I only paid $28.20 out of pocket. Got back $33 in cash from Ibotta. I got back $3 in cash from Checkout 51. And Fetch Rewards, I got back $1.50. So worked out amazing. It wound up being a moneymaker haul because I used the Fetch Rewards to pay the out-of-pocket. Otherwise, it would have been $53.20 out of pocket, which is a little high, but of course you're getting your cash back from all of those different rebate apps, so still makes it worth it. So here is my receipt. I got the Listerine and everything. Everything rang up perfect. I didn't have any issues, especially, oh, I'm in the sun, so you're probably not even gonna really be able to see my receipt. No, sorry about that. It's super bright out here today in Florida. It's really hot too. I'm like sweating my butt off right now. Anyway, so this shows that shopping cart. All you have to do to redeem that gift card is I go to rewards, search for Walmart. I exchange 25,000 points for $25. Then you click pay. I did the self-checkout. You click gift card, and then you use the little scanner clicker button thing. And then I just scanned the card off of my phone. Didn't need a pin, anything like that. It took off the $25 and everything worked out great. So I'm super excited about this haul and I definitely wanted to bring it to you guys. So we finished our mid-week moneymaker bonus. We got 12 rebates. I did a little more than 12 rebates and we got back that additional $1 bonus. If you guys have any questions or anything, make sure you drop a comment. All the links and referral codes to all the different rebate apps that we use today are also in the description box, as well as in that printable breakdown. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.